EAS in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Warren County in southwestern Ohio, Central Clinton County in southwestern Ohio, until 1:45 p.m. At 12:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Morrow, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail.
Oh shit.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Wilmington, Morrow, Clarksville, Harveysburg, Port William, Oregonia, Melbourne, Fort Ancient, New Antioch, Oakland, Cuba, Gentown, State Route 350 at US Route 22, Morrisville, Ogden, Kingman, Interstate 71 at US Route 68, Cowan Lake State Park and Burtonville. This includes Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 32 and 57. Here is